right? AWS account will come over here. It is only available for 70 plus hours. Yeah. No credit card needed, no AWS login password needed. Everything will come here in your link. Okay, once you're able to join in. Fine. Now, I'll quickly run you through the workshop, everyone. So, since you are at AWS event, likewise I said, over here you will be able to see, click on this, and on clicking of it, your AWS account will open. All important buttons in AWS are in orange color. Once we are done with this, we have to skip this because we are not going to do it in our account. We have provided the AWS accounts to you. Okay? Moving further, prerequisites. I did say some prompting is needed. So how to do the prompt, where to click, everything is needed. A little UI change may be there. This is the only company which runs on internet speed, God speed. UIs may change. So find a little, understand what is this playground about, try playing with it, choose the models, right? You may not even have to enable these models. So it's okay, try it out, doing it, but if in case you are not able to do it, seek assistance from the volunteers who will be able to help you out. Now, proceeding to the second task. This will be the primary and the very first task would be to create a knowledge base. What did I say? 4 things you need. I have already covered that. How it works, I have showed it to you. What is RAG? I have talked about it. How to create a knowledge base will be our first activity everyone. Yeah? So you will scroll down, you will look for knowledge base in the vector store, you will configure these things. Please ensure that whenever I'm reading, I just read something like this much, the one on the board. Yeah? So I said 4 tabs will be there. Just zooming on it, your knowledge base details, your data source, where am I going to store, review, and create. Go through the screenshots, try doing it, and when are you going to create it, right? Okay? When you're going to create it, it will show something like this on the top. Do not leave your screens, let it happen, else you will have to do it again. Okay? You have all the permissions to do this task, everyone. Remember that. If you're getting any error, you'll have to understand you're doing something wrong or you're missing it. Go back to 1 or 2 states up, check, hey, I was able to do it till here, and verify. Okay? Fine? Seek the help from the volunteers, try creating a knowledge base, and test it out. Cool? How to test? It's all given over here. I did talk about agents, I did talk about